Welcome to our channel Get Cooking Now. Today we will make a delicious meatloaf. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. We have taken 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, either powdered or crushed, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 eggs, juice of 1 lime, cooking oil or butter for greasing. Step 2. Preparing the baking tin. We have used a baking tin or loaf tin, sizes 9 inches length, 4 inches breadth and 3 inches height. Apply cooking oil or butter to the baking tin to prevent the meat from sticking to the pan while baking.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Step 3. Marinating the meat. We have taken half kg of pork mince. Place it in a large bowl. In the same bowl, add 1 kg of beef mince. Add 6 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 whole eggs. Add half teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, either powdered or crushed. Add juice of 1 lime. Mix it with a spoon or ladle. But it is best to use your hands. Mix everything nicely and ensure all the ingredients are properly and evenly mixed. This process will eventually determine the taste of the meatloaf. You can also use a few drops of red food color to give the meatloaf a slight pink color. This is totally optional. We haven't used it for our meatloaf. Step 4. Baking the meatloaf. Transfer the marinated meat into the prepared baking tin. If the mince you have used was not finely ground, you can grind this marinated meat in a mixer or grinder and make it into a fine paste. Press the meat firmly and evenly to ensure there are no spaces or air pockets left inside.
If you found this recipe interesting, do press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section below.
Compared to store-bought cold cuts, homemade meatloaf is better as it is cost-effective and doesn't contain any harmful additives or preservatives. Take a baking tray and place the meatloaf tin on it. This will prevent the meatloaf from burning when it is baked. Pour boiling hot water in another baking tray and place it in the oven below or next to the tray containing the meatloaf. Bake the meatloaf in a preheated oven at 320 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 to 60 minutes or until it is baked. After 45 minutes, insert a knife or a thin long wooden stick in the center of the meatloaf. If it comes out clean, your meatloaf is done. If the stick doesn't come out clean, cook it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Drain out all the liquid inside the baking tray. This liquid can be used as a sauce. Let the meatloaf cool down to room temperature. Once cooled, you can refrigerate it for a few hours before cutting it to get nice and firm slices. Delicious meatloaf is ready to serve. You can also blend the meatloaf with some butter or mayonnaise to make a paste for sandwiches. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another interesting recipe.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.